When women hear of this struggle men have, they often then have their own experience of the inappropriate behavior they've received throughout their lives from men. In the biggest surveys throughout the US, in my research, it shows that at least 1 in 4 women have had some form of sexual abuse. But how many women have felt inappropriate male sexual behavior coming at them hundreds, if not thousands of times throughout their lives? Almost every single woman I have counseled will describe experiences like this. So I want to very slowly say a couple things here. As a man, if you approach your close female partner with this topic, no matter what, she has a tremendous amount of history, of experience, being a woman who has received very strange and inconsistent behavior from men. All women have had this. If she's able to begin listening to you about this topic, she is remarkable. And please go slow in your conversations about this. And for a woman that does not want to know about this because it hurts too much, or you strongly disagree about things I'm saying here, I feel you, I understand you, and I apologize if some of the things I say here offend you. So when women hear the details about men's internal sexual struggle, they often think, oh my God, is that you? Are you like that really? So male sexuality can be a bit frightening. With everything I've learned about women's histories, if I were a woman, I would be frightened by the male sex drive. But here's the good news. I believe most men are decent. I believe most men control themselves. When I say that men have to overcome their sexual nature, this is what I mean. Men control themselves. Men, for the most part, keep this bottled up inside. And as I've been saying, this is good and bad. It's good that men control themselves, but it's bad that it's not talked about. And a very big reason I've built this course is because men and women are far too distant from each other. And one of the deepest ways to have a close heterosexual relationship is to study the opposite sex. And if you're a gay male, then you both have this sex drive, and I hope this opens up a new kind of conversation for you.